How to add lines in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a line in Picsart. First of all, here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can import any of the images or even create a blank object. Here I'm choosing a blank object. So here on the bottom there are different options. If you scroll right, you'll find an option called shape. Tap on shape. So this is the place where you'll find the line. Here on the bottom, if you scroll again, there will be an option of arrows and lines. Tap on arrows and lines. Here you should scroll again, and here at the end you will find a line. So tap on a line. So as you can see, I have imported a line. Now you can customize it however you want. You can even change the colors accordingly. And at last, here on the top, just tap on the stick button and you're done. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.